Okay, so I guess my voice is audible. So yeah, so last yesterday session we just saw about the sliding window technique, but yeah, we got some work issues. So I cannot able to complete that. So I think we just learn. Today we try to learn sliding window technique properly. So yeah, so first we need to learn some basics of this sliding window technique. Okay, so here are some notes from the service. We saw this problem yesterday, I guess. So find the maximum sum of a subarray with fixed size window size. So we solved that, but the time complexity is not up to the mark. So it's uh, work and so we need to optimize that. Just what is the time complexity for? Just we solve that using two for loops, I guess. So that is in case swap ends. So yeah, we just leave that. We try to follow his guidance. Okay, so yeah, here is an array. So first we need to initialize. So they already given the window size, right? So J is equal. So now what we need to do is so initialize first three elements. So first we need to take these three elements, the values, and then add up sum up to get an result. And then we just slide the window uh, and then again add. So and then we need to update and evaluate. So we need the maximum element. And then again slide, update, and then finally answer. So in this we just need how we need to slide. That's we need. So just yeah, I guess we already solved. So let's see. Okay, so first what we need is uh, we need a result. Equal to, let's say result. 0. We need to loop, let's say, here we have starting loop I. Okay, from uh, till which element we need to iterate is. So here I 0 plus, let's say, 3 means we already saw that, I guess. Uh, we need to iterate this I uh, till the end, right? Not end, right here. Right. So if the I goes here to the next index, will gives us error because there is no the third element, right? So till here we need I to iterate. So for that we need to write a for loop condition for I in range of from where it needs to start us. Uh, 0 comma, what's the length is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3. 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. 0, 1, 2. But we need to iterate it. 4, 5, 6. Okay. I guess we can do like this. Length of array minus k. Okay. So the length of array will be 6. Then the k value will be 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So it will iterate till the third index, right? So yeah, just we just move on. Okay, so we did what we need. So and then we just need to evaluate. Means we just need the calculation part here. What does the calculation part is? So I think they are given some other. Yeah, if we do like this, it will result us in the of n square, right? So let's say we do another for loop for j in range of I till I plus k means 0, 0, like this k minus 1. Then it will becomes 2. Then here 0 plus 2, 0, 1, 2. And then if I is 1 means minus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So third index 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it will do like this. Yeah, we can. Now from here we just add the things, right. So let's say uh, yeah, this is the solution we saw last class, last session. Local is equal to 0. Then we just do local plus are equal to uh, j, sorry, array of j. And then what we need to do next is after doing all this, after adding, then we just max out, right? So result equal to maximum of result comma local. And then, yeah, after completing this, we just return the result, right? So this is the naive solution, but we need some optimized one, right? So, so in this, they are given the value to the minus infinity. So you all know that it's a minus number. So there is nothing else to do. Here they are given the slicing property in Python. So we just see the slicing. So let's say here we have an array, right? This is an array. So here the slicing property has three sections. So stop and then start, stop and then step. So each will be separated by the colon, sorry, colon. And then let's say here they are mentioned to, so it will start from two. The step is one. So you can mention or you don't want to mention, that's your choice. But the colon is important. Let's say the stop is six, right? So here, uh, what this means is, so the sum, it's already pre inbuilt function in Python. So it adds up all the values inside here. So nums is an array, okay, and then the slicing property mentioned till k. Okay, so till k there is no stop point. So the I will be the stop point here, I guess so. So yeah, let's say here for I in range, again they add a start from the k. Uh, yeah. So this one, they already. So I just let you know what the what is here happening. So, you know, we already have it. Right? So, okay. So here they first mention the infinity loop, right? So the maximum sum is equal to float of infinity. So what this means is, let's say, uh, by doing this, it can be any number like this one, right? So it's a biggest number. So here, why we are going to do this is, so let's say if zero is there means, so it will update. So definitely zero is greater than minus some infinity numbers, right? Some random infinity. That's why. So we are just use the infinity minus infinity, right? So first, what the next thing is, what they are doing is, so they have calculated the first three digits. Sorry, first three array elements. Uh, for that, they are doing so. Let's say here it will be the maximum sum, and then yeah, they had let's say I just give a local sum. So it will calculate this one and then check whether check the maximum and then update it. So this is the thing. So they are make the local sum by adding these three, right? So how can we do that? Adding these three. without any for loop kind of thing. So we just use a sum. It's a inbuilt function, and then with the use of the slicing property, let's say here the array of is to k means, so this will be the stop function. We can mention like this, let's say 0 is to 1 is to k, or we can just simply mention the last element, the stop element only. So from this, it can automatically add up and sum up and store it in the location. So this is what happening here. And then next thing, they are just iterating and they are adding it to the maximum sum. That's it. So here the k is 3, right? Till length of nums. They are just adding the window sum. So nums of I minus nums of I minus k. Here they are doing is, let's say here the window size is, sorry, the window sum here we have local sum, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is here. So they are using for loop, right? So, so in for loop for I in range of we have k. So for convenience, I just use the value from length of nums is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So this will focus on from like 0, 1, 2, 3. So from here to till here. So there is an empty value here. So just here. Okay. Now window sum. Here we have local sum, right? Local sum is equal to, here what's the local sum value? 8 plus num of I. So here the I will be at 3, right? So what's the num of I? Will be 1. Okay. Minus uh, nums of I minus k, right? So here nums of I is 1. Minus k is 3, right? So minus 2 is the answer. So what will be the final answer is 8, 9. Max sum is equal to maximum of what the previous 8 comma 6 was. So the value is 8 only. So after this, they are just return the maximum number, right? So I just need to make sure whether this local sum calculation is right or wrong. So for that, I just yeah, the I is equal to 8, right? I is equal to 8 or what? No, no, no. I is equal to 1. Then the local sum is equal to 8, and then uh, k is equal to 3, right? So, so the calculation is local sum minus I, local sum, sorry, plus I minus I minus k. This is the answer of the answer. So this will be plus, right? So yeah, this is how it works. I just saw some solutions, big solutions. Yeah, here is that. So yeah, the same thing. Yeah, so we just here we need to do local sum is equal to max sum. So we just store the local sum is equal to max sum, and then we just loop it through n2 minus k. Okay, so just loop through n minus k, not to n2 minus k. So n minus k here, what's the n? The n is length of an array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the k is 3. So till 3. Yeah, this is we already saw this. So here the length of array minus k, and then okay. So here till 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So till here we need to iterate. Okay. So we just the local sum here is 8, right? So 8. Uh, so I guess the answer is wrong in there. So this is the right one. So we just make sure the window size is 8 minus array of I means here the array of I starts from uh, Windows sum. This will be the Windows sum right now. So the first Windows sum is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Carry of I is Sorry, I just thinking on how to work on this. That's it. So if you guys have any idea on how to approach this one, you can tell us in the comment sections. So the problem is maximum sum of subarray with key elements. So yeah. Okay, so guys, I just figured it out. Yeah, just we try to dry run this one. So let's say we just edit this up. So so this will be the naive solution. So but we need some optimized one. So here we have k is equal to 3. Right? So first they, as I said, they just find out the first window values. So for that, let's say, so I just use the local sum. So the local sum will be the sum of where they are just use slicing. So sum of, okay. So yeah. So so with this we get the value of 2 plus 1 plus 5, right? So 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So next, we just store the maximum local to the maximum maximum sum. So I just maximum sum to, I just set it to the infinity, right? And then I just store it in the maximum sum. Next thing is we just loop through, right? So for I in range, so the I need to loop till the third index, right? So here, because after here there will be no window size. So uh, for this we can do like as I said, the length of array minus here the k, right? So yeah. So next thing is, so after looping through all this one, we just have to calculate and update the value, right? So the window, sorry, I just used the local sum. So the local sum is equal to local sum So the local sum is 8 plus array of I, right? I minus array of I minus K. So by this, what we have is, sorry, yeah. So the local sum is 8, right? So 8 plus array of I is here. The array of I starts from 0, 0 to 3, right? So 0 means 2, and then plus, sorry, minus here I minus k is, so the value of I is 2 minus k is 3, so 1. So yeah, so here 2 minus 1 is 1, the value is 9. I guess this will be the, make sure I just mentioned mistake. So they are using, so the doubt I have is this one. So So okay, so this is the formula they are using. So the local sum is 8 minus array of I is 2 uh, plus 3 plus 2 is 5. Right. So what's the answer? 7 1. So this is the answer they are giving. Right. Then they are just match it up. Guys, if you have any idea on solving this problem, you just can post it on the comment section. Mm, okay, so 5. Two, the answer is 1. I just asked, can you is equal to 2, 1, 5, 1, 2. Then I just made a mistake, right? So, yeah, where did I make it? Oh, oh. Okay, so I just figured it out. So the mistake here is we just take the value, right? But that's an index. Sorry for that. So here the index is 0, and then here the index is sorry, 0 plus 3 is 3, right? So here 0 1 2 3. Okay, so and then the value is 1, right? So 8 minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So 8 minus 2 plus 1. So how it calculates? 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, right? Okay. So in this array, let's say 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if we see here, we have the value 7, right? But we didn't even add these things. So if we see here, the things we are adding is these three. Sum of these three is 8. So the sum of these three things are 8, right? Okay. So next one is we just take the starting element, so 2, and then we just keep minusing it. So yeah, okay. So the formula here, how it works is, so we just take all the sum and then minus it with the first element, right? So now the value we get is 6. The 6 is the index one element and then two elements. So yeah. So and then we need the last element here. So for that we are using array of I plus k. So the array of I is 0 and then k we have is 3, right? So we get 3. So plus 1. So the answer is 7. So yeah, by using this formula we can slide the window over and over. Yeah, okay. So this is uh, the minute thing we need to notice to solve any of the problems. So I just make a note of it. Like so, this formula, the total sum of the previous. Okay, we need to minus that with the starting element, uh, and then we need to add it with the last element. Okay. So after this, we just yeah, this will be simple for us, right? So we just the maximum. We just need to find the maximum of these three. So just we use max function, and then maximum sum comma the local sum, and then if it's max, we just return the maximum sum. Okay. So yeah, quickly I just code it out. Just attempt it here. Okay. Yeah, we just try to solve this. So this is a medium problem. So the same thing we just solved before. This is the same problem, right? So here we need to note some kind of thing, right? So here the subarrays of nums with length 3 are 4, comma 4, comma 4, which does not meet the requirement because the element 4 is repeated. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So So there is some uh, like problem here. Let's say if there are distinct numbers repeated again and again, we should not calculate that. So let's say here the same problem we solved before. So we just add these three and then the value is 10, right? So and then we just slide the window, add it up, sum it up, and then again slide, no problem. And then here 2 comma 9 comma 9. So the 9 is repeated two times, right? So we should not calculate this. And then we just need to move the slide, and then again 9 is repeated again and again. So yeah, so we just try to solve this. Yeah, so I just quickly make an array. So here we have the elements of 1, 5, 4, 2, 9, 9, 9. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, so we start off with we need window sum is equal to 0. Okay, and then we need the total sum, or we just name it as a result is equal to 0. Let's say we make it infinity, so just give it as a infinity. Okay. Okay, now what we need is uh, we can just add the first window size, but the problem is in if we see in second test case, so if there are distinct elements, we should not calculate, but the first window itself they have a distinct elements, so repeated elements, right? So I guess uh, if we are using a for loop, means the time complexity will increase, right? So we need some other technical. Okay, so I just shall we do like this? Okay, I just use for loop. So for a range of k, so we just need to add from till k, right? So if array of I plus 1, okay. So if this condition is true, then we just add in the Windows sum, right? So, so I guess I'm audible. Sorry. Yeah. So if the Windows sum, we just add it in the Windows sum plus or equal to array of 5. So I guess will again again it will brings us a problem, right? So let's say if we have an array, right? Uh, like we have the one, two, and then three, and then again we have three, right? So let's say we have an array, and then these are all some elements. So if this will be the condition, so we have I here, we'll check I plus 1. It will check for this, it will check I plus 1. Let's say for this, will this need to check this one? If this will be the case, this will not add it in the window sum, right? So we somehow need to stop checking condition for this index. So, so guys, if you have any idea on this, you just post it here. Okay, so we cannot able to do that. Okay, so just we try to fix this one. So yeah, so I just deleted. So the window sum is equal to sum of array of k, right? So this will be the window sum, and then now the result is equal to window sum, right? After that, what we need is we just move the window over and over. So for in range of length of array minus k, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 minus k is 4, 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. This is the stop point for the I, right? So okay, so after this one, what we need to do is the classic formula, like the window sum plus or equal to, so the array of we need to minus it with the first element, right? So array of I, and then add the last element, so array of I minus k, right? Okay, so with this we can able to add this, and then we just need to find the maximum, right? So for that, the result is equal to maximum of result comma window size, window sum. Okay, after that we just return. But the problem we have is the answer, this will be the answer for this code, but the question we have, we should not take the repeated elements, right? So for that we need some conditions. So what conditions we can implement here is for end range of, okay, so here let's say till here at 0 1 2 3. Okay, so let's say I is here, so here is an I, and then we need a check condition. If array of I is equal to array of I plus 1. If this will be the condition, this is not equal to, and then yeah, okay. So if okay, okay, but what if this? Okay, so we need two conditions. If array of I not equal to array of I plus 1, or array of I not equal to array of I plus 2. So we cannot explicitly mention I plus 1, I plus 2, right? So let's say if we have the k will be 4 or 5, what we need. Okay, so we need to check all the elements, right? So is the window size is fixed or not? I need to check that once. It may vary. Can we do like this or not? I didn't know that. Like here, like this. Array of I not equal to array of uh, okay. Okay, for now, just do like 5 plus 1. So let's keep it simple. Okay, so this works. For this, I guess let's uh, try to run that particular test case. First, what we need is, so we need a Windows sum is equal to 0. Then the result will be also 0. And then we first need to calculate the first window, sum of the first window, sum of nums of k, right? So after calculating this, we just need to store it in result. Result is equal to window sum, right? So after this, we need a for loop for I in range of so from till we need to calculate length of array, sorry, here nums minus k, right? So till this we need to calculate, we had a condition, if array of I not equal to array of I plus 1, or array of I not equal to array of I plus 2. Okay, now window sum plus or equal to the array of I, sorry, window sum, sorry, I guess window sum is equal to, we just minus it with the first ith element, and then add it with the uh, I plus k, right? Okay, so after that we just, so it is equal to max out. So I just made some mistake. I don't know why this isn't good. The problem number is 2461. So the problem number is 2461. If you guys have any idea on how to approach this one, you can just comment your answer in the slide. Okay, so I think this is not working. I don't know why. Yeah, I just found out something. So there should not be any distinct elements only. They can, it can, like, the number can be available after uh, some two other places. So I think this condition is not necessary, but this will necessary. But what's the problem I saw is just checking the next one, right? But we need to check uh, for all the window. So I just need another for loop for this, I guess so. I just try to write that loop itself. So let's say, so here let's say we have this as a window. So for For I in range of uh, for I in range, I just use J here for J in range of I comma till uh, I plus K, right? So no, it will not like I plus K. Uh, let's say if I is here means the value of I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer we need is 4, 5, 6, right? So till 6, 6 or 7. 4, I, 6, 6, 7. Okay, so I plus K, we just uh, try that. So I plus K, right? So if array of J not equal to array of J plus 1 means what we need is we just add array of j to the local. So let's say we have some local the window size like right. So the window size so the window size is 0 for example. So we just window size plus or equal to array of j, right? Okay, so here is if any single element is matching means we just break the loop. So I guess this part handles the problem we have. So somehow we need to insert this in here, but the only problem is the time complexity. That's why I'm thinking of. So okay, I think I just scored it up. Here like instead of this thing we need this one, right? So for f j is not equal to array of j plus 1. Okay, so 10. One, six, 611. How this will help us? Oh, sorry. I just Windows some application. Hmm. Okay, I think we can just use set drive. So Okay, so I guess we can use set for this problem. So let's say, but I think we don't need this anymore. So first so like if we have some set here, let's say somehow we need to store these three elements or the window size elements in here, and then somehow we need to add those elements. So I just make sure. So there are two things we need to do is uh, like how to okay. So we can simply add that. So to add all elements. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I think we got an answer. So yeah, so let's say for this, uh, so we need a sets is equal to set of uh, set dot append. So we just need to append all these things. So 154 will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Right. So we don't need this anymore. This one and this one. So what we need is for I in range of length of array means so to read. So yeah. So sorry guys, I can't able to continue with the live. So I just I can complete it by tomorrow. Yeah. So thank you for all who are joining.